Hola, my name is Gianna Torres. I'm a junior here at Williamson High School who is an officer for the Aquí Para Ti Club. Today I'm here with my abuela, which means grandmother in Spanish.
Hola.
So our family is from Puerto Rico. Entonces, ¿en qué año nosotros vinimos a los Estados Unidos?
En 1980.
So, in order for us to keep our culture alive, some things we do include parrandas, which is when our family goes and visits other loved ones' homes and sing traditional Puerto Rican Christmas songs using instruments like palitos, güiros, maracas, and cuatros. Our family also keeps our heritage alive by dancing salsa with one another, which is very common among Puerto Ricans since it was influenced by bomba en plena, which is a cultural dance on the island. Last but not least, something about our culture that we love is
Nuestra comida.
also known as our food. Today we're going to show you guys how to make mofongo balls, which is a traditional Puerto Rican dish which the main ingredient is plátanos or plantains. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, time to try them.
Delicioso.
Okay, now it's your turn to try. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and check out this recipe. Join us next week as we visit our next country. Cheers!
Cheers.
Adios!